Now let us download the Python from official website python.org/downloads. We'll put this link in the description. Now we are able to see all the platforms: Windows, Linux, Mac, Android, others. And since I'm on Windows, let me select Windows. Here we are able to see all the release versions. We have all the release versions here. Let me select the latest stable version. Windows installer 64-bit. Okay, it is downloaded. Let me install. Okay, now here make sure to select this one, add python.exe to path, otherwise you need to configure it manually. Okay, now I'm selecting install now. It won't take much time, it will be done in few seconds. Okay, now the installation has been successful. Now let us verify the installation. Command, let me python version. Okay, now let us download PyCharm. Okay, let us go to JetBrains official site. Okay, now let us click on download button. Okay, now let us look for community edition. Okay, now we didn't find the community edition, right? Now JetBrains has merged both the community and professional version together, and they called it as unified product. And when we download PyCharm unified version, we will get all the features. That is only for 30 days. That is only for 30 days. And after 30 days, the pro features will remain as it is, and the paid features will be removed automatically. Okay, let us download the PyCharm unified version. This will take a while. Let us wait for some time. Okay, it is downloaded now. Let us quickly install. Okay, let us click on next. Let us install. Let us choose the destination folder. Click on next. And if you want to add the shortcuts, add. I will create a shortcut as desktop. Okay, let us click on next.